Oh, you can't keep a good dog down.
No, sir.
No, you can't keep a good dog down. I've seen pain and hurt.
That's right.
I've eaten dirt.
That's true.
It's hard to buy, but even I've been jilted by a skirt.
He lied.
Look how I'm still around. 'Cause you can't keep a good dog down.
You can't keep a good dog down.
No, you
no,
can't.
no. You can't keep a good dog down.
I've been bought and sold.
He's been warm and cold.
But 10 to 1, I'll still be running rackets when I'm old.
Not in some cage in the city found. 'Cause you can't keep a good dog. Can't keep a good. I say you can't keep a good dog down. Try this.
Careful, is
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that might be a watermelon.
No, Charlie, watermelons are green. This is red.
You're colorblind. You've always been colorblind.
That's true, but this is green.
It's red.
Red?
Hit the line! Call Command Central! We're second by a head. He's moving in third. But wait a minute. He's stuck. Squad car stuck in the outfield. What a nightmare. Wait a minute. It's squad car by a tail. Oh, my God. Look out. What's this? It's squad car springing to the finish. What an incredible race, ladies and gentlemen. Squad car.